Bengal train tragedy. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, as we speak, is currently in Bengal, has visited the accident site, has also met with those who were injured in this particular mishap. Vaishnav has confirmed that rescue restoration ops are underway and are on track. And he has confirmed that they're hoping that the process of clearing the rail tracks and ensuring once again the train ops continue along this route will be happening tomorrow. Now, Mamata Banerjee, remember, has questioned the central government, saying that this is a result of negligence. Vaishnav has only said in response that he doesn't believe this is the time for politics. Let's play out for you what the railway minister has said.
अभी हमारा सारा फोकस है, रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट हुआ है, अभी रेस्टोरेशन पे पूरा फोकस है। ये मेन लाइन है और किसी भी तरीके से ये पॉलिटिक्स का समय नहीं है। अभी सारा फोकस होना चाहिए रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे। पैसेंजर सेफ्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ा फोकस है, कंप्लीट फोकस है, जैसा आप स्वयं जानते भी हैं। मैं इसके बारे में बाद में डिटेल में चर्चा करूंगा। अभी मैं जरा पहले रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन ऑपरेशन का पूरा जायजा ले लूं।
All right, Ritik Mondal is joining us live from the spot where this accident took place, where this tragedy took place. Ritik, Ashwini Vaishnav has visited that particular site, confirming that it could take another 24 hours for the entire area to be cleared up, for the debris to be pulled out. But also with regards to the politics that's playing out, Mamata Banerjee has pinned the blame on the central government, and Ashwini Vaishnav has chosen not to really get into all of that and the back and forth.
First of all, let me give you updates one by another. Let me tell you that what exactly happening over here currently. That the restoration procedures are underway. We can see that amidst the situation that North Bengal is facing, heavy rain. This rescue and relief operation are underway currently. We can see that JCB machines and cranes have been brought in to clear those debris out of the tracks. But we do believe that it could take more than 24 hours. But there are several questions. Many politics are happening over here. The political temperature are raising. We are waiting for Mamata Banerjee's arrival at this spot. What we are given to understand that Mamata Banerjee has already landed at Bagrogra and rushed to the nearest hospital, the New Jalpaiguri Medical College, where most of the people have been suffered injuries. They are undergoing treatment, and the death toll with regards to this massive incident which happened this morning raises to 9, what we are given to understand. But there are several questions are being raised. Why opposition are targeting ruling BJP? That what is the cause of this accident? We have an eyewitness with us. Let's talk to him. Hussein, who hails from this particular village, who resides just at the crash accident site, and he was among the first person who rushed the spot and also rescued both the driver, loco pilots of that ill-fated goods train, and then there was alive. He had an opportunity to speak to them. हुसैन, जरा बताइए कि वो ड्राइवर जो मालगाड़ी के थे, वो उन्होंने क्या बताया था, किस तरीके से हादसा हुआ?
उसने यही बताया, तो पीछे से हादसा हुआ था। अच्छा। पीछे से वो लगा दिया था।
वो आकर टक्कर मारा था, आपको बोला था। तब किस अवस्था में आपको वो मिला, ड्राइवर आपको मिला? वो अब तब जीवित है, वो बात कर पा रहे थे?
जी बात कर पा रहे थे।
अच्छा, उनमें से 2 जीवित थे ना? आपने तो खुद निकाला है उनको। कौन जीवित थे, कितने लोग जीवित थे उन दोनों में से?
उन दोनों में से 4-5 आदमी जीवित थे।
अच्छा, वो ड्राइवर दोनों में से 2 जीवित थे?
नहीं, एक।
उनको अपने अस्पताल पहुंचाया था। उसी ने आपको बताया था कि उसने पीछे से आकर टक्कर मारी? जी। कोई अन्य कारण बताया था आपको और कुछ नहीं बताया? नहीं। और बाद में वो बेहोश हो गया था? जी। सिर्फ इतना बातचीत आपको हुई थी? अच्छा, so this person who hails from the nearby village, and he was among the rescuers who rushed to the spot and rescued those people from the debris. We are given to understand at least 9 people have lost their lives in this massive accident, but we can see that politics being triggered over this incident.
That's right. Let's in fact focus on the reactions that have come in. Ritik, thanks very much for joining us with that live update.